Hello guys, it's your boy TJ here. Today we are gonna unbox the new Fidget cube. Let's see what's inside. Outside it says work class home. We can do click, spin, flip, glide, roll and breathe. It says warning, who cares? Let's unbox it. It comes with a manual. Who reads about this? It says we could breathe, roll. It says function of each of the fidgeting tools. Click live. Okay, let's unbox it. Unfortunately I have got the yellow color, which I don't like. Mostly I like the black color, which is stealthy. Nice packaging. It's cool. I like it. This is for people who love fidgeting. This is quite great. If you love joysticks on these Game Boys, I love it. If you love tap switches, it's quite plasticky, but it costs around $200, so we can't complain anything about it. We can roll the balls. I don't know what is this for, but quite nice. Okay guys, bye. I will link down the address of this fidget cube down in the description box so you can check it out, and peace out. Bye.